Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to share with you all the joys of pregnancy. It's truly a roller coaster adventure that I wouldn't trade for anything. From the moment I found out I was expecting, it has been a whirlwind of emotions and experiences. The journey of pregnancy is one of the most special and magical experiences a woman can go through. As my body changes and my belly grows, I feel a sense of awe and wonder at the miracle of life growing inside me. It's a feeling that is indescribable and one that I will cherish forever. Of course, with pregnancy comes the fun of shopping for maternity clothes. It's a time to embrace and celebrate our changing bodies, and there are so many cute and comfortable options out there. And let's not forget about the cravings. Pregnancy cravings are no joke, but they are also a source of joy. I've been indulging in all sorts of delicious and sometimes strange food combinations, and it's been a fun and tasty adventure. Of course, pregnancy also comes with its fair share of doctor's appointments, but each time I hear my baby's heartbeat or see their little face on the ultrasound, it all becomes worth it. Staying active during pregnancy has been a great way for me to stay healthy and prepare my body for labor. Prenatal yoga has been a wonderful way to connect with my body and my baby, and it's also a great way to meet other expecting moms. And then there's the joy of preparing for your baby's arrival. From setting up the nursery to picking out the perfect name, it's all part of the excitement of becoming a parent. And don't even get me started on all the adorable baby clothes. It's hard not to get carried away with all the tiny onesies and cute outfits. But above all, the greatest joy of pregnancy is knowing that I'm growing a little human inside me. It's a bond unlike any other, and I can't wait to meet my baby and start this new chapter of our lives together. So to all the expecting moms out there, embrace the ups and downs of pregnancy and enjoy this amazing roller coaster adventure. Because in the end, it's all worth it. The joys of pregnancy are endless and unique to each woman. Embrace the journey and cherish every moment.